If you like how this chunky twist out turned out and you've been struggling to get that juicy, bouncy, soft, shiny and moisturized twist out without spending hours on your hair, let's get into it. The first secret to perfect chunky twist is to start styling your hair in a stretched state. This helps with manageability and reduced risk of fairy knots as the hair strands are aligned separately and the style looks even better. I dampen the hair with some water but not too much because I don't want it to fully shrink, but just enough to provide a base for the key product for this style, which is the Camille Rose Honey Leave-In Conditioner. This conditioner is every high porosity girl's dream. Honey is a natural water magnet, so it draws moisture into the hair, defines the curls and softens the hair. The key is using it on damp hair, and this helps your hair retain moisture for up to like 5 days without needing a refresh. Because the leave-in is a water-based product, I go in with some oil just to seal everything in and some gel to hold everything together. And now to the twisting. You start with 3-strand braid at the base. Note that the hair may be a little slippery from the product, so the secret is having a firm grip on the hair. Not tight, just firm with a steady hand. Then you part the hair in 2 equal halves after braiding the 3-strand. Don't cheat the braid, okay? Don't borrow hair from one half and add to the other in the course of braiding. The secret to getting that bouncy, chunky twist is twisting in a clockwise direction with a loose hand. You do not have to tighten the twist at all. A loose, steady hand, then curl the ends up so the twist stays in place. Just going over it again. By the way, this is part 2 of my wash day. If you want to see how I wash and prep my hair for styling, check previous video. It'll be linked in bio. When it comes to parting my hair, it's a struggle. I bought the 3-way mirror thingy and it only made things worse. The reverse sensory confusion is real. I honestly don't know how to operate in reverse. Like, I found myself reaching for the part but kept missing it. It made me so frustrated and anxious. I just had to let it go. It's not that deep. I'm really not fussed about perfect straight part, especially when I'm doing my hair myself. Besides, this is a twist out. The part will not matter when I twist out the hair. So what I do is I feel the part with my hand, my fingers, and if they feel equal to me, that's it. I go ahead and braid. For a well-defined, long-lasting twist out, you have to allow your twists to marinate for a few days or even up to a week. The good thing about this hairstyle is it's very versatile. You can wear it as twist and then as a twist out. The only product I use for twisting out the hair is a hair serum. It helps with sleep and shine. I carefully unravel the twist and I leave the 3-strand braid at the base intact. That just helps the twist out last even longer because it kind of like holds it together. And yeah, if you want to see how I keep my hair moisturized in between styles, you can see how sumptuous my ends look. Check video linked in description. Thanks for watching. Shalom, shalom.